Duond bura mar Jubilee koro sayo sirkal mar Kenya kwanza kuom pondo tok twak madhi nyime kindgi gi Azimio timo gigo mahinyo jo Kenya. Jubilee ochiwo seyo tok duol mar EPRA yango nengo manyien magimedo mamodhi pacho kaendie makoro kelo pek ne oganda jo Kenya. Jubilee sayo sirkal kuom keto chenro moko mamedo hinyo jo Kenya kendo chwalo pek mar ngima ondama mamalo.
The cost of living is on the table. The table will be the issue that will be discussed on Thursday in the afternoon by the dialogue team. And we are hopeful that all sides of the divide will come committed to it. Certainly as in Azimio will come committed to it. What I must register as my displeasure is the fact that when we talked about the cost of living, they put the finance bill and they passed it. They didn't bother.
We therefore feel that this is insensitive and against the people. We notice that the taxation on a liter of fuel is 79 shillings, which makes it just 40% of the price. So it is not true to tell Kenyans that the hike in fuel prices is dictated by the high oil prices around the world.
Kwa kanini jatend migao mar ohala kod dongruok kembe Moses Kuria